So I got my cell phone here, but as you can tell, this thing sounds like it's got a camshaft. It definitely doesn't have a cam in it. And so we're gonna do some diagnostics and see what we can fix. We got a code, or we're gonna just test codes and stuff, so we'll be right back. So it's the next day and we got code 34, which turned out to be EGR position. So he pulled the EGR. You can kind of see it. Well, yeah, you can see it. There's like carbon rocks in there holding this open. So that's why we had a camshaft like idles, because this was dumping exhaust gas in when it really didn't want it. So we're gonna see if we can clean this out, and then we'll see. I mean, this should fix it. So we were able to clear the rocks out by mostly I just tipped it upside down and worked the valve with my thumb, and they fell out. And then you just, to test it, you just have to make out with your EGR valve and blow in that hole and make sure there's air isn't just shooting out this valve. And we had a good seal, so we think that'll fix it. Now we're just gonna put this back on. It's just 1/2 inch on the top, 9/16 on the bottom. And it's kind of annoying to get in here, but it's not that bad. Alright, so EGR is installed. Now we're going to fire it up. See if it sounds better. Well, that was already better. Yeah, it's fixed. Before, everything was just shaking under here, so. Yep, we're good to go. Alright, thanks for watching, and that was just, hopefully I can help you guys if you have that problem. So, see you in the next one.